The 2010 Emmy Awards will be held on Sunday, August 29th at Los Angeles' Nokia Theater. The 62nd Annual Primetime Emmy Awards ceremony will air live on NBC beginning at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Comedian and talk show host Jimmy Fallon will host the ceremony. Nominations for this year's Emmy Awards were announced early last month. Among this year's biggest nominees, Fox's Glee with 19 nominations and AMC's Mad Men with 17 nominations. Glee will compete for Outstanding Comedy against Modern Family, Curb Your Enthusiasm, Nurse Jackie, 30 Rock, and The Office. Mad Men will try for a third straight win in the Outstanding Drama category this year. The show's up against Lost, Breaking Bad, Dexter, True Blood, and The Good Wife. Newcomers made up nearly half of the dozen nominees in the Best Drama and Comedy Series categories this year. First-time nominees include Modern Family, Glee, and True Blood. This year's Emmys could be called the Year of the Rookies. No less than 5 of the dozen Best Drama and Comedy Series that garnered nominations are first-timers, including Glee and Modern Family. Emmy fans who want a behind-the-scenes look at the stars on Emmy night are in luck. For the first time ever, the Emmys are going to stream live backstage footage as the Emmy show airs. According to the show's organizers, 7 different cameras are going to be set up backstage to capture exciting moments and candid reactions from celebrities. The Backstage at the Emmys show will stream live on several websites, including NBC.com and Emmys.com. For more information on this topic, visit the link below.